Hi students, let us continue with chapter 32, area and perimeter. So today let us start with the concept of area. Area of any plane surface is the length of its boundary plus its interior. Okay. So coming to the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. In general, the largest side of a rectangle is called, if you have a rectangle, it's very clear to you all, the largest side is called as the length and the shorter side is called as the breadth. So, area is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth. So, area of the square is area of rectangle whose length is equal to its breadth. So, area of square will be what? Area of square, length and breadth are equal here. So, it will be L into L, right? So, you will get L square or side square. So, area of the rectangle A is equal to LB, you know, L into B. So, if I have to find length when area and breadth is given, how will I find out? It will be A by B. Similarly, breadth is equal to A by L. Okay. So, this is how we will be solving the problems based on this. So, let us slowly start with the exercise now. So, coming to exercise 32b, we had completed 32a in our previous class. Let us start with 32b. So, coming to exercise 32b, first question we have, find the area of rectangle whose length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 6.4 centimeter. So, how do I find area? Area is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 15 into 6.4. How would we do it? Just multiply 15 into 64, so 5 4s are 20, 460 into 90 you get, right? So 069. So the answer will be 96.0, that is 96 centimeter square. Centimeter is multiplied twice, so it will become centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. Coming to the second question, length is equal to 8.5 centimeter meter and breadth is equal to 5 meter. Again, area is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 8.5 into 5, that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42. So, you get 42.5 meters square. Coming to the third question, third sub question here. Length is equal to 3.6 meters and breadth is equal to 90 centimeters. So, one is in meter, other in centimeters. So, let us convert both into meters. So, 90 centimeters is equal to 90 by 100, that is equal to 0.9 meters. So, area is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 3.6 into 0.9. 36 into 9, 9 6 are 54, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5 will give you what? 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. So, you will get 324, but that will be equal to points, that is 3.24 will be our answer. Both in meters, so you will get meter square. Coming to the fourth sub question, length is equal to 24 centimeter and breadth is equal to 180 millimeter. Okay, so millimeter to again centimeter. How do we convert it? So breadth is equal to 180 by 10, that is equal to 18 centimeter. So area is equal to L into B, that is equal to 24 into 18. 32, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 19 into 24, 2 314. So, you will get the answer 432 centimeter square. Hope it's clear to you children. Now coming to the second main, we have find the area of a square whose each side. So, second main you have find the area of the square. First one you have 7.2 centimeter. So, both the sides are equal, you know, area will be equal to side into side. So, that's 7.2 into 7.2, that is equal to 14 into 7 2s are 14, 1 balance, 7 7s are 49, 50. So, you will get 4 8 1 5. So, 51.84 centimeter square. Similarly, second question, 4.5 meters, that is equal to, area will be equal to 4.5 into 4.5, that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22 into 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 18, 5 2 0 1. So we'll get 20.25 meter square. Third one, you have 4.1 centimeter, area is equal to 4.1 into 4.1, that is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, so you'll get 1861. So 16.81 centimeter square. Hope it's clear, children. Now coming to the third main. In the third main you have, if A denotes area of rectangle, L is the length and B is the breadth, find each. So L, if A is equal to 48 centimeter square and B breadth is equal to 6 centimeter, what will be the length? Length is equal to A by B, that is equal to 48 by 6. 48 by 6 is equal to 8 centimeter, not square, centimeter. Second one we have, find B. If A is given to us 88 meter square and L is equal to 11 meter square. So A by L equal to 88 by 11 equal to 8 meters. Now let us do the fourth question. Each side of the square is 3.6 meter. Find first its perimeter. So first one, perimeter, how will you find out? 4 into side will give you the perimeter, right? That is 4 into 3.6. How much you are getting? 6 4s are 24. 24 into 3 4s are 12. So you will get 144 will be our answer here. So that is equal to 14.4 meters. Second sub question, you have the area. Area is equal to 3.6 into 3.6. Okay, what is 3.6 into 3.6? 6 6 are 36. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Into 3 6 are 18. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 6 9 2 1. So your answer will be 12.96 meter square. Okay. Let us come to the fifth main. In the fifth main you have the perimeter of a square is, perimeter is equal to 60 meter. Find its each side. So perimeter of square is 60 meter. First question, each side will be equal to what? 60 by 4, that is equal to 15 meters. Similarly, its area. Area of square will be what? Area is equal to 15 into 15, that is equal to 225 meter square. Third one, its new area obtained on increasing each side by 2 meters. So each side increased by 2 meter, each side will become what? 15 plus 2, that is 17. So what will be the area? Area will be 17 into 17. So 17 into 17 will give you 289 meter square. Hope it's clear, children. Now coming to sixth question. Each side of a square is 7 meter. Each side is 7 meters. If its each side be increased by 3 meters, new side will be what? 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10 meters. What will be the increase in its area? So initially, first case 1, area will be what? Area is equal to 7 7s are 49. Case 2, area will be equal to what? 10 into 10, that is equal to 100 meter square. So what's the question asked? Therefore, increase in area they've asked, right? Increase in area is equal to 100 minus 49, that is equal to 51 meter square. Coming to the seventh question we have. The perimeter of a square field is numerically equal to its area. Perimeter numerically equal to area. Okay, equal to x. Let me take. Find each side of a square. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 4 into side. Similarly, area is equal to side into side. Right? So what we need to find out is find each side of the square. So how can you find out? One of the side, let me keep it. Okay, this side I'll keep it here. So side equal to 4 into side by side. Okay, so it get cancelled, right? So each side should be equal to 4 units. So let's check. If each side is 4 units, will it be same? So what will be the area in that case? 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. What is the area? Perimeter will be 4 into side. So area also 4 into 4, that is 16. So this is the correct answer. Side should be equal to 4 units in that case. Coming to question number 8, we have a rectangular piece of paper has area is equal to 24 centimeter square and length is equal to 5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So first we will have to find the breadth, right? Breadth is equal to area by length, that is equal to 24 by 5, that is equal to rectangular piece. It's 24 by 5 will give you the breadth. So what you need to find out is perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B, that is equal to 2 times 5 plus 24 by 5. 2 into 25 plus 24 by 5, that is equal to 2 into 49 by 5. 98 by 5 will get. 98 by 5 equal to what? 98 by 5 is equal to 1 time 5, 48, 9 times 45, 30. So 19.6 will be your answer. So it is 19.6. What do you have to find out here? Perimeter. 19.6 centimeter. Hope it's clear, children. Coming to the 9th question, we have find the perimeter of a rectangle whose area is equal to 2600 meters square and breadth is equal to 50 meters. So length is equal to area by breadth, that is equal to 2600 by 50. 5 will go how many times? 5s are 10, 52. So our answer will be 52 meters. So what do you have to find out here? Length and breadth we have. You need to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B, that is equal to 2 times 52 plus 50 equal to 2 times 102. 204 meter. Coming to the 10th one. What will happen to the area of a rectangle if its length and breadth both are trebled? Now we are thinking, what is the meaning of trebled? Trebled means it is made 3 times. Okay. So what will happen to the area of rectangle? Its length and breadth are trebled means what is the meaning of that? Let length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y. In that case, area will be x into y. And if it's trebled, what happens? Length is equal to 3x and breadth is equal to 3y. In that case, area will be equal to 3x into 3y, that is equal to 9xy. So what will be your final answer for that? When it's trebled, what happens? Trebled means you might be hearing that word for the first times. Doubled means they make double, right? Trebled means area will become 9 times of area will become 9 times of what it is already. Okay. So 9xy, initially it was xy, now it became 9xy.